Hey everyone and welcome to Tezhost. Today we are here to discuss something important, getting the most out of our amazing 24/7 customer support. Whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out, we've got you covered. Multiple channels for your convenience. At Tezhost, we understand that problems can arise at any time of day or night. That's why we offer a variety of ways to connect with our friendly and knowledgeable support team. Need help right now? Try live chat. For urgent technical issues, our live chat feature is always available 24/7. Simply visit our website and connect with a person in real time. We'll be happy to help you with whatever you need. Got a question? For non-urgent questions or if you prefer written communication, you can always send us an email at support@tezhost.com. Our team will get back to you within a reasonable time frame and help you troubleshoot any issue. Prefer to talk it out? Just give us a call. Sometimes you need to hear a human voice. If that's you, feel free to call our support team. We're available to chat and get you back on track quickly. Detailed issues? For complex problems that require more in-depth analysis, you can submit a support ticket through our online portal. Just provide a detailed description of the issue and our team will investigate and send you a comprehensive response. Self-help. Don't forget about our awesome knowledge base. It's a treasure trove of helpful articles, guides, and tutorials that can answer many common questions. So before you reach out for our support, check the knowledge base. You might find the solution you're looking for. We hope this video gives you a clear idea of how to get the most out of Tezhost 24/7 customer support. Remember, we're here to help you succeed online, so don't hesitate to reach out if you ever need assistance. Thank you for watching.